In today's video, you will learn how to translate language in ChatGPT. A lot of people do not realize that ChatGPT can work like an advanced language translator, and in many situations it can feel much more natural than traditional translation tools. The reason for that is because ChatGPT understands context, tone, and the way people actually speak in real conversations instead of only translating word for word. For example, imagine you are traveling in Japan and you are sitting in a restaurant. You want to ask the waiter what the 3 most popular dishes are, but you do not know how to say it in Nihongo. Instead of typing only the sentence itself, it helps to first give ChatGPT some context. You could explain that you are traveling, that you are at a restaurant, and that you want to ask the waiter about the most popular dishes. Once you provide that information, ChatGPT understands the situation and gives a translation that sounds more natural and realistic for everyday conversation. This is one of the biggest advantages because the translation is usually based on how native speakers would actually say something in real life. It takes social cues and conversational meaning into account, which makes the response sound smoother and more accurate. Another really useful feature is pronunciation help. After receiving the translated sentence, you can simply ask how to pronounce it. ChatGPT understands what you are referring to and can provide a pronunciation guide that is much easier to follow. This becomes extremely helpful while traveling because you can quickly practice speaking before using the phrase in public. Translation is not limited to spoken conversations either. ChatGPT is also very useful for written content. If you have an email, article, message, document, or blog post, you can paste the text directly into the chat and ask for it to be translated into another language. For example, you could request a translation into Chinese, Spanish, French, or many other languages, and ChatGPT will generate the translated version almost instantly. In many cases, it can also provide the pronunciation or explain the meaning behind certain phrases, so you better understand the translation instead of simply copying text without context. That makes it especially useful for learning and communication at the same time. Overall, ChatGPT can feel like having a personal language assistant available whenever you need it. Whether you are traveling, studying a new language, translating written documents, or trying to communicate more naturally, it is an incredibly powerful tool that can make language translation much easier and more practical in everyday situations.